Hello students, as you people are observing, today in this video we are going to discuss about squares and square root. By mistake I have written a wrong spelling over here. It's a square root. Clear? So hope you can pay attention to clear the concept of squares and square roots. Sorry. Let's start. What are squares? If a number, say it's a 3, multiplied by itself, what is the product obtained is known as your square of that number. Means here 9 is square of 3. So here 9 so obtained by multiplying 3 with 3 is a square of the multiplied number. This is the concept of square. Hope this concept is clear to you. Now, this number may be any number. Suppose I am taking one decimal number 0.5 multiplied by 0.5. What we have? We have 0.25. So 0.25 is a square of 0.5. This is the concept of square. 0.25 is a square of 0.5. Now, if any natural number, for example 16 is a natural number, is a square of any other natural number, then this number is known as your perfect square. Hope this one is clear to you, that what we are saying that 4 and 16, these are natural number. So any natural number which is a square of any other natural number, then that number is known as your perfect square of the given number. Hope this one is clear to you. Now second heading says about square root. So let's discuss about square root. In case of square root, remember that if any number is expressed as a product of two same number, then this number is known as square root of the second number. Means 4 is a square root of 2. It's a very simple one. Remember, this sign is a symbol of square root. Under this we can write 4. So square root of 4 is 2. How we write this 2? Remember, we first write down the prime factor of 4. Then if two same numbers we have, so we note down one number. Out of these pair we take only one number and remove the square root symbol. So square root of 4 equals to 2. This is the concept of square root. Now square root may be positive integers, may be negative integers. Means this is, if we say, I am saying that 4 is a square root, 4 is also a square root of -2 into -2. So this is also true. Why? Because if you try to multiply -2 into -2, it's a +4. So here we can write down -2 as a square root of 4. So both is correct. It depends upon the question what you are obtaining. Generally square root of 4 is taken as 2, but square root of 4 is also -2. So hope this one is clear to you. In case of square root of 4, from these two conditions we can say that square root of plus 4 is maybe plus 2 or minus 2. But remember, there are two type of square root, plus 2 and minus 2. Plus 2 is a principal square root. Plus 2 is known as your principal square root. Always remember this thing. Plus 2 is a principal square root. That is why generally we are taking the plus 2 or plus number as a square root of the given perfect square number. Now move to the question answers. Our next topic is how we find the square root of a given number. Suppose a number is given to us, it's 81. Question says that find out the square root of this given number. So easiest method is you're finding the prime factors of the given number. There are two methods. One is your prime factorization method and other is your long division method to find the square root. Long division method we will discuss in next video. In this video we'll discuss only the prime factorization method to find the square root. How we find? We try to find the prime factors of the given number first. So it's a 27, 9, 3. So here we can write down 81 equals to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. But we are going to find out the square root of 81. So we use the symbol of square root over 81 and over the given prime factors. Now remember, for removing this square root symbol, only this one, we take out same type of prime factors pair. Means this is your one pair, this is your other pair. So here we can write down 3 into 3 and we can remove the square root sign. Now 9. Similar, so what is the square root of 81? It's a 9. First we find out the prime factors of 81, write down in this way, then remove the square root of RHS side and then write down the square root of the given number. This is the method for finding the square roots of the given number. Now we are going to discuss about question answers given in your exercise so that you can easily understand. First question says that find the square of the given number. So we are going to find out the squares of the given number. Here it is given find the square of, one of the questions says that find the square of 24. So we not write likewise. Square symbol is this one. With write down the given number within the bracket and above that give a power of 2. So we can write 24 into 24. This, whenever you multiply 24 into 24, this gives a result 576. Many of you say that how sir you multiply so fast. So for that we have to learn some squares of the given number. More you can learn, more you can find. I am not able to learn too much squares of the number, but I have learned only very few one. So just see how I am find that it's a 576. It's a 24 into 24. Now as we know 12 into 2, 12 into 2. Now I know that square of 12, this 12 into 12 is 44. This is the main thing. We have to learn at least some of the square. And then 4, whenever we multiply 4 4 is 6, 4 4 is 6, sorry 4 4 is 16, 1 carry, 4 4 is 16, 1 17, 4 1 is 4 plus 5, 1 5, 576. So square, likewise we can find out we can multiply easily and easily find out the given product. Move to the next question. Next question is something like 60. How we find the square of 60 easily? Remember, as we know, a square of 60 is 16 to 60, but we have to multiply. So finding 6 6 are 36, that we know. Here we have 1 0 after 6, so here we can write down 2 0. So square of 60 is 3600. Likewise, you can easily find out other square. Now we'll try to find out the square of some given decimal number. It's a given 0.05. A square of 0.05 equals to, we multiply 0.05 into 0.05. As we know, 5 5s are 25. We must write 25. After decimal there are 2 digits. After decimal there are 2 digits. So in product, we after decimal we must have 4 digits. So to make the 4, we use 2 0 in front of the square, in front of the product. So this is the square of the decimal number. Now square of the some fractional or some rational number, we are going to find out the square of 6 upon 11. So 6 upon 11 square equals to, we must write 6 into 6 upon 11 into 11. It's a 36 upon 121. So likewise, you have to find out the squares of the numbers given in your exercise. Move to the next type of question. Next type of question says that find the square roots of the given number. Here I am choosing two numbers and we'll try to find out the square root. First number is your 5929, 5929. We are going to find out the square root. First, we try to find out the prime factorization. At the end of the number, it's 9. So we'll try to find that whether it is divisible by 3 or not. 9 plus 2, 11, 9, 20, 25. It's not divisible by 3. Let's check. 3 1 is 3, 3 9 is 27. It's not divisible by 3, but it may divisible by 7. 7 8 is 56. 7 8 is 56. 32 carry. 32 is there. 7 4 is 28 and 7 7 ja. Again 7 1 ja, 7 2 ja, 7 1 ja. Similarly, it's 11 11 ja. So we can write down 5929 is 7 into 7 into 11 into 11. But we are going to find out the square root. So write down the square root symbol on this number as well as above this number. Make the pair of the same type of numbers and then remove the square root. Write down one number for each pair. It's a 77. So square root of 5929 is your 77. We are going to find out one more number, 11,664. 11,664. How we find? First used to find prime factorization. It's a 729. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 3 8s are 3 1s are. It's a very longest one. 3 27s are 3 9s are and then 3 3s are. Hope you can see the end. Yes, so this is the longest one. So we can write over here 1164 is, how many 2s are there? 1 2 3 4. How many 3s are there? 3 3 6 3s are there. So we can write on this side. Due to unavailability of space, I am writing likewise. So square root of this is the square root symbol now. So we make the pair. There are 2 pair of 2, so 2 into 2. There are 6 pair of 3, so we must write down 3 times 3. Now multiply. 2 2 is 4, 3 is 12, 12 3 is 36, 36 3 is 108. Once again cross check the product. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 2 is 54, 54 2 is 108. So likewise you have to find out the square root by using prime factorization method. Move to the next type of question. Now we are going to find out some square roots of mixed fraction and decimal number. So one of the question I'm picking of mixed fraction is 3 whole 22 upon 49. This is the question. Yes, how we solve? First we convert into improper fraction. 49 3 is a 9 3 is a 27, 2 carry 3 4 is 12, 12 plus 2 40, 14, 147, 147 plus 22, 7 plus 2 9, 4 to 169 by 49. Now how we find out the square root of these two? First we find out the prime factors of individual numbers separately. So it's a 169, it's a 13 into 13, it's a 49, so 7 into 7. So now we can write down a square root of 169 by 49. This is equals to square root of 13 into 13 by square root of 7 into 7. We can write down 13 by 7. It's a 7 1 ja 6 upon 7. So hope this one is clear for you. Likewise you have to find out the square root of other fraction. Now I am going to solve one decimal question. It's the longest one, 9.3025. Let's start. So next question is find the square root of 9.3025. Need not to try to find directly with decimal. First we convert into some fraction or rational number by using this type of method, as all of you know. Clear? After 1 there are 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Now we have to find out the square root of this one by using prime factorization method. I am solving at this side. 93025. At the end 5 we will try to find from 5. 5 1 ja 5, 43, 43, 5 8 ja 40, 5 6 ja 30, 0 5 5 ja 5 3 ja 15, 5 7 ja 5 2 ja 5 1 ja. Then we'll try to by 3. It's not divisible by 3, so let's try by 11. 3 1 ja 3 2 ja 6 4. No, let's try by 11. 11 3 ja 33. Here we have 42. 11, it's not by 11, so let's check by some other number. After finding too many prime numbers, I obtained one prime number 61. Whenever 61 multiplied by 61, just check 61 1 ja 61 6 carry 61 6 ja, it's 6 1 is 6, 6 36, 366, 366 plus 6, it's near about 372, or you can multiply this easier method. 1 1 is 1, 1 6 is 6, 6 1 is 6, 6 6 is 36. So see, 1 2 7 3 3721. So it's a 61 into 61. This is one of the prime factors of this one. And similarly, if we try to find out the prime factors of 1000, remember, if we have this type of condition, we can easily write 1 and then half the 0 if number of 0 are in even number. So 100 into 100. So now it's clear. Now write down square root of 9.3025 is equals to square root of 93025 by this number. Now we multiply, write down the factors. It's 5 into 5 into 61 into 61 by 100 into 100. So we can write down it's 5 into 61 by 100, and whenever we multiply this, it's 305 by 100, or we can write down 3.05. There is no space at the end of the board, so I am writing likewise. You have to write step by step downward action. Hope this one is clear to you. Move to the next type of question. Now there are two word problem. I am reading the last fifth one. It says that a seminar hall has 1764 seats. Total seats are 1764. Seminar hall has this number of seats in form of rows, each row containing as many seats as their row. Now, so number of seats equals to number of seats equals to number of rows. Clear? So we have to find out how many seats are there in each row. So in this case, we have to find out the square root. So what are the square root? We have to use prime factorization method. 1764. We try to find out 2 8 is 16, 2 8 is 16, 2 2 is 4, again 2 4 4 1, again 3 3 1 is 3, 3 4 is 12, 3 7 is. Now it's 3 4 is 12, 3 9 is. Now further we can find out 7 7. So here we can write down 1764. Square root of this is equals to, it's a 2 into 2, 3 into 3, and 7 into 7. You have to find out the square root, that is your 2 into 3 into 7. It's a 47 3 42. So this is the number of seats in each row. In previous question, for a class picnic, students collected as many as rupees as their students, and then total collection is given to you. You have to find out the square root. So hope you can easily understand this question. Now move to the next type of question. In this type of question, it says that find the smallest number by which it should be multiplied so as to get a perfect square. First part. And second part says that is also find the square root of the square number so obtained. So how we find? I am picking one question. It's 2028. Question says that find the smallest number by which it should be multiplied so that to obtain a perfect square number. So first we try to find out the prime factors of the given number. So for 2028, what we are observing that 2 into 2 into 3 into 13 into 13. As we are observing that these two are in pair, these 13 are in pair, but there is no pair of 3. So if we multiply this number by 3, so we have a pair of 3 in the factors and the number become a perfect square. So we can write down 2028 must multiplied by 3 to make perfect square number. Perfect square. Hope this one is clear to you. Now, yes, my writing is a little bit strong, small one. So please try to adjust this one. Next time I am writing, used to write bigger one. So what is the new number? New number equals to 2028 into 3, that is we must multiply 3 8 are 24, 2 carry, 3 2 are 6, 6 plus 84 0 6 6084. And what is the square root of new number? A square root of new number is very easy. This and one more 3, pair of 3. So it's a 2 into 3 into 13. So 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 1 carry, 6 1 is 6 plus 7. It's a 78. So likewise you have to find out you have to make a perfect square number. Now one more same type question, but that is the for division. So let's start. In this question it says that find the smallest number by which it should be divided. In previous one it's a multiplied so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the square number so obtained. All questions are same but only the process is different. In previous it's a multiply, in this one it's a divided. How we find? Let's try to solve. It's all are same but at last making the pair is a little bit different. So I am picking this question 3 6 4 5. We'll try to find the prime factors. 3 2 1 5. Again 3 4 0 5. Again 3 3 1 are 3 10, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are. Again 3 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 15s are. Again 3 5s are. So what is the pair? It's a 3 6 4 5 equals to 3 3 6. 6 times 3 and 1 5. As we are observing in this case all these 3's are in pair but this 5 is extra, so we must divide this number by 5 to make it perfect square. So we can write down 3 6 4 5 divided by 5 to make perfect square number. To make perfect square, I am writing in short. Clear? Make perfect square. So what is the new number? New number equals to 3645 by 5 is 5 7 ja 35, 5 2 ja 5 9 ja 7 to 9. What is the square root of 7 to 9? 7 to 9 square root is simply write down up to 6 3. 3 to 5, one more 3 is there. So we make the pair 3 into 3 into 3. It's 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27. So this is the square root. Likewise, you have to solve all the questions given in your exercise 5a. Remember, all of you must solve in your field copy today by itself. That's all for today. Thank you.